Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add bullet points in publisher document. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show add bullet points. Now we can see that then you show text. Now text form add bullet point. Now select from a text. Now go to the home menu option, then click for a bullet point option, then choose from a large bullet point. Now apply from large text 5 6, that is. Then you show add bullet point in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.